Hi Maker, I'm Angel with FleeceFun.com and welcome to my creative space. So what are you going to find on this YouTube channel? You're going to find quality videos that are all about sewing and crafting. You'll find videos on how to sew, sewing basics, that sort of thing. You'll find videos on easy beginning sewing projects with free patterns that you can download off of my website. You'll find great crafts projects and free SVG files so you can create all of these wonderful things yourself at home. And that ultimately is my goal. I want you to be able to recreate what I'm making here. That's honestly what kind of makes this whole thing worthwhile for me, is me being able to show you how to make something and you able to replicate it. So will I post for you every week at a specific time? No, I will not. I don't care what the YouTube algorithm says. I can't promise you that. My life is kind of hectic and crazy, but when I do post, it'll be quality content worth your time. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notified as soon as I throw up one of those videos, whenever it will be. And thanks so much for checking out my YouTube channel. And here's just kind of a little preview of what I've got on here.